Alright, so here we have a client who started with us. His TransUnion is now 654. Started basically in their 500s for quite some time. Then looks like there was a fluctuation here. So it jumped from 612, I'm sorry, 512 to 654, which is a rather large jump in points. And then it continued through this pattern. It shows credit card use, payment history, derogatory marks we see here is 0. Let's see. Credit age, it shows 4 years, 3 months. No inquiries, the inquiries were removed. That's for TransUnion. Equifax, same deal. Here his points jumped from was it 643? Yeah, not much because this file was already his Equifax was already good. So but you'll see his accounts here. Actually says credit card use no data, so it removed everything that was on the file. Total accounts 3. Oh, excuse me. So now he would have to actually add some trade lines to his file, also known as the piggyback method. It's been used for years to help increase credit scores. So you can look into it.